There you can see two red of them, two red dropping. How are them red if there's not a reflection of red through there? And unless you believe that's just all lithium going into a blue sky. Look at them sleepers. Look at how red that sunset's gotten. And them dudes are red as hell. I don't know. I wish this phones would pick up how red them are, but to the naked eye, just like the bottom is red as hell. Look at that. When you zoom in, it's out, but I'm just zooming in. I'm not changing colors. That's just what it looks like because I'm taking out all the background light, basically, with just zooming in. So I don't know how to control the light on this phone. But look, them are pink sleepers, people. Over that red setting. And again, I'm not doing anything to the color. It's just, you see how the sky looks gray? It's not gray to the natural, or the natural eye. Look at that sun, looks like a full moon already. Simulating over there. Look at that black circle around it. That's some weird shit. Can you see they're both still just red? To the naked eye, they look like two pink, you know, just pink now, dropping down over that. So. That black ring around that moon, just circling. What kind of shit is that? Moon simulator.